Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kayla, Crafty Pen Pal Mama. So this video is a redo, I guess, a share for Everyday E-Deals. I had worked with them, picked out some diamond paintings and done them, and I finished this a while ago. I made the video and uploaded it, and then I don't know what happened. And they reached out to me again and asked about the video, and that's when I realized it was gone. So I needed to redo the video, and so I do apologize for that. So I'll link the original video unboxing with links in the description box. So here is one of the diamond paintings that I did. My fiance Billy did help me do, he did the majority of this. I did some, but I love how it turned out. And some of the adhesive has gotten some dust on it, so that's why that looks that way on the edges. But I have cut this down because I'm also making a frame for this. I can't find a frame in this shape, or if I find a shape, it's not the right size. So I am going to make one out of heavyweight cardstock. So I have adhesive around the borders here. I've actually cut some trim, and I'm going to take this pink lace. It's a very good color, and I'm going to adhere this around the edges like that. I had tried a black and then like a more red color, and this is just the one that I think looks good. I don't know, I might do the black with the pink on top. But anyway, so this is the floral one. This was the one I chose. It's actually going to be a gift for someone. But yeah, I really love the colors. It's so shiny and pretty. I messed one up. I'm missing one. Okay, but I have extras. There's extras of other colors. I just realized that I don't know when that happened, and it was not that way, so I'll have to find that little gem. I'm glad I noticed that. So yeah, that's that one. And then the other one I chose was this skull. This is the one that I thought the entire background was going to be, you know, adhesive for gems, but it's just the shape. So when I finished this one, and I did this one pretty quickly and on my own, but when I finished, there was adhesive around the edges still showing. So I actually went in with black glitter. Let me see if I can. I went in with black glitter. Can you see that? All around the edges where there was adhesive left. So I really like how that came out. I've never done the glitter on it before. I had taken a powder tool before, you know, to cover adhesive left. So, you know, dirt didn't get on it, but I really like how this looks when it's complete, putting the glitter on there. And there's actually some kind of spread throughout that went down in the cracks too. But I love how it looks. Gives it even more shine. So yeah, I've got to find a frame for this one also. I'm going to hang it up. But yeah, I enjoyed both of these diamond art paintings. They were really fun. And the prices are great on their website. So check them out if you haven't already. I'll have the information in the description box. That's all for this video. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.